Okay guys, just to complete on the sliding doors, so we all know and love the ultra slim looking sliding products that are on the market today. So the 20mm sightline slider that we do using the Cortizo profile, very much a popular look. Again, like we talked about with the Solar Lux, like we talked about with Origin, the configurations are very much the same. So whether you go for a 2-panel like this one in the showroom, or 3 panels depending on your sizes, most of our customers are designing these where they can have, you know, circa 3 doors stack at one end, or at least 2. So yeah, depending on your own design requirements, you know, by all means give us an email with some details of a project that you're doing, and we can actually quote these doors online for you. Or if anyone wants to come in and actually operate the doors, please, you know, just get in touch and come in and see us in the showroom. We can go through it with you.